The front desk is a lot like the cell membrane, as it lets people into the resort like a cell membrane lets different materials into the cell. The sanitation staff is a lot like the lysosomes because they help keep the resort clean, like how the lysosomes keep waste material out of the cell. The generators are like the chloroplasts of the cell because the chloroplasts produce energy for the cell and the generators produce energy for the resort. The kitchen relates to the ribosomes because the ribosomes produce proteins or food for the cell and the kitchen produces food for the resort. The vacuole is like the water reservoirs at the resort because the vacuole holds water just like the reservoirs at the resort. The nucleus of the cell is like the office because the office controls everything about the resort, just like how the nucleus controls everything about the cell. The cell wall is like the frame of the resort because the frame provides support and helps fight off any attacks on the resort, just like how the cell wall provides protection and support for the cell. The Golgi apparatus is like the post office of the resort because the post office packages and processes boxes and mail, just like how the Golgi apparatus packages and processes macromolecules such as proteins and lipids. The endoplasmic reticulum is like the elevators of the resort because the elevators let people travel around the resort, just like how the endoplasmic reticulum lets proteins travel around the cell. The nucleolus is like the manager of the resort because it directs the nucleus just like how the manager directs everyone in the office.